thinking you're the one that can do what's never been done, that can win what's never been won.
The way that they behave with one another.
Goes on
Just by recording you here today, I
you.
probably have enslaved 5 small children. Someone had to make this microphone, had to make all this equipment, had to make all this plastic crap.
Well, that's the way you feel about it, sister. Why are you using it?
Because it's the only thing you can fight with that doesn't involve killing people or having to speak. I don't want to speak. I don't want to give speeches.
Unclear,
It's the vibration
startles
that
your
you live
sleeping
in
ears to
that either
hear that
serves
somebody found
or
you.
destroys. It's where you're at within yourself.
A question in your nerves
What does this
is lit,
feel like
yet
to
you
tear
know
down
there
stuff?
is no
Is it
answer
fun?
fit to satisfy, ensure you not to quit, ensure you not to forget that it is
Following
not
the ways
he
of
or
this world,
she
you're
or
wasting
them
your
or
life.
it that you belong to. And though the masters make the rules for the wise.
Now this world's set up. Everything that goes on here is set up as a distraction to, oh, the phone rang. Oh, gotta go to work. Oh, the bills are due. Oh, gotta get a job. Oops, class time. Oops.
Them that must obey authority, that they do not respect in any degree, who despise their jobs, their destiny, speak jealously of them that are free, raise what they grow up to be nothing more than something they invest in.
Now I owe $160,000 for my education. I'm gonna have to work for 12 years to pay off that bill. But somebody told you it was worth it? It's
While
not.
some on principles baptized to strict party platform ties, social clubs and drag disguise, outsiders they freely criticize, tell nothing except who to idolize, then say God bless him.